Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to do a boomerang on Snapchat. So what is boomerang? Boomerang is a feature which is available in iPhone and iOS devices. But now Snapchat has provided Android devices the same feature related to boomerang. But it also works as a boomerang. So what you have to do, you have to simply open the Snapchat here, and after opening the Snapchat, what you have to do, you have to simply record a video. And after recording a video, you can see that infinite option here, which is as that which can be used as the same as you use boomerang option in Snapchat. So if you want to use boomerang on Snapchat Android device, then you can use that infinity optional icon here, and you can simply use as it is Android iPhone user use a boomerang on Snapchat. So if you have an iPhone or iOS device, then you can simply easily use a boomerang, like that option is available in Android device. But in Android device, instead of boomerang, that option is available as infinity icon that you can use as it is. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.